Hi, in this video I'm going to solve Parsifal Extended June Series 2021 Component 4. So this is we got on the grid. Draw the image the triangle T. Okay, this triangle 3 after the translation by the factor of 2. So we are going to move to right and 1 down. So 1 2 and down. So here's first one, 1 2 and down, another one, 1 2 and down. Okay, here is after the translation. Okay, 2 right and 1 down. Apologize, they counted 2 square as 1. Moment. So indicate 1 2 and down. First one, 1 2 and down. Second one, 1 2 and down. Okay, so we got it here. Here is after the translation. Next we got triangle T after rotation 90° clockwise about the origin. So here it is. If 90° we can count 1 2 and 1 here. So 1 2 and 1. So the first point 1 2 and 4. So here is 1 2 and 4. 1 2 3 4. And here is 1 2 4 and 4. So 4 and 4. Here it is. Here is after rotation 90° clockwise. Next, triangle T after enlargement by the scale factor of negative 1.2, center is negative 2.3. So the center is negative 2.3. Here it is the center. So we can use the ruler to connect each edges to the center. First edges. Okay, here's the second edges. And the third edges. Okay, we can count it. As this is to negative a half, so let's count it. Here we got 1 2 3 4 4, right? And after 4, right? 1 2 3 4, and here is 1 up, another one is 4, right? And how many down? 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 2 down, 4, right? And then 2 down. Last we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 to the right and 1 up. So we will multiply it by a half and make it opposite. So 4 we make it a half, so this is gonna be 2 left, and then this is a half down. Here is 4 right, so it will be 2 left and 2 not 2 1 up. Next here is 6 right, so it's gonna be 3 left and then a half down. Okay, you can just continue. So here is the first point. From the center is 2 left, so 1 2 and then a half down. Okay, here it is, first point. Next 2 left, 1, 2, and 1 up. Okay, here it is. The last we got 3 left and a half down. 1, 2, 3. Let me count again. 1. How many? From the center. 1, 2. Okay, 6. Here is only 1. Okay, a half. So here's gonna be here it is. 3 left, 1, 2, 3, and a half down. Okay, you can just connect it. Okay, here is after the enlargement by negative 1/2 with the center of negative 2.3. Okay, B, let us describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle T onto triangle A. So here it is A to T. So the sides are equal, so this is not enlargement. Okay, it's not moving also, not translation. So here it is, we got as the reflection. Look at this point. When we reply, it's gonna be like this. So that here is the reflection. Y equal to negative x. Here it is reflection to the line of y equal to negative x. Yeah, here it is. Y equal to negative x. Okay, let's go on. A. A cube has a length of L, wide W, and height of H. Okay, here is H, is W, is also H, L, also L, also L. Oh, let me make it the same color. So this is the height, and here is another height. L, L, L. The wide. So here is the wide, the wide, the wide, and the wide. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here also the height. The height, 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 and the height. Okay, there it is. So look at the information, the ratio W and L is 1 to 2. Okay, so we got here 20.1. This is equal to HH, we get 2H plus by W. Then here, another information 37.H, we got from here to H plus by L with L to L equal to 37.8. Okay, here is the ratio. So L equal to 2 of W. L is to the W. Okay, so we got here to HW, also to HW. L is to W. Okay. Let us replace here. We got the equation 2h plus by 2l. Let's substitute 2 times 2w equal to 37.8. So this is 2h plus by 4w equal to 37.8. Okay, we got the equation. Here is 2h plus by 4w equal to 37.8. And here is 2h plus by w equal to 20.1. We can minus it, get it of h, so you got 3w. Here is 37.8. We minus it by 20.1. So you got as 17.3. So the w is 17.3. We divide by 3, which equal to 5.9. So L equal to 2w. So 2 will multiply by 5.9. So we got L equal to 11.8. And the H. So we can use this equation. So 2H plus by W equal to 20.1. W we got. So 2H plus by 5.9 equal to 20.1. We minus by 5.9 both of sides. So this is 2H equal to 20.1. We minus by 5.9. So we got as 14.2. So we divide by 2 both of sides. So we got SH equal to 7.1. Okay, we got the three values 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so starting with L, the length equal to 11.8. W or the width equal to 5.9 and the height equal to 7.1. There it is. Thank you. No, there is one more. Okay, B and okay, B question. Let's finish it. Number 7 and 8. Okay, the diagram show the solid pyramid with the rectangular base A, B, C, D. Okay, E is vertically above D. Okay, angle EDC. Okay, the right angle AB, BC, and EC. The pyramid is made of wood and has a mass of 800 gram. Calculate the density of the wood. Okay, so here is the density. First, let us find the volume. So the volume is a third times the area of base, which is rectangle 18. We multiply it by 15. So 18 multiplied by 15, we got as 270. Here is 270. We got the height. The height is need to be here. Oh, here is 24. 24, 18. So here's the height. It's 18. Can use the Pythagoras theorem. So the height equal to hypotenuse is 24 square. We minus by 18 square. So 24 square is 576. 18 square is 324. So h equal to the square root of 576. We minus by 324. This is 252. Square root of it is 15.87. Okay, so this is the height. So the height is, what is it, 15.87. So let's proceed here, the volume. So 270 multiplied by 15.87. Then we divide by 3. So we got as 1428.3. The density, so the density is the mass, which is 800 gram. We minus it by meter square 1428.3. So 800 we divide by 1 1428.3. So we get as 0.56, yeah, 560. This is gram per centimeter cube, centimeters cube as the volume. Okay, last question. Calculate the angle between BE and the base of the pyramid. So it's okay, BE and the base of the pyramid. So the height we got as square root of 252. Let's find it here. dB. Okay, dB is the diagonal of the rectangular. Let me make it rectangular. Here is 18 and 15. So let us find here the diagonal line they made from the right triangle. So the Pythagoras. So we can get it from here. Let's make it, this is x equal to square root of 18 square plus by 15 square. So 18 square we get it from here, 324 plus by 15 square. So 15 square is 225. We plus by 324 square root of 549. So here is, we got as 23.43. Okay, so we got that triangle. Let me draw it here. The base of 23. 23.43, 23.43. The height is 15.87. To find this angle, so we got the opposite and the adjacent. So we can use tan. Tan angle equal to opposite, we divide with the adjacent. Opposite is 15.87, adjacent is 23.43. Can use the inverse. So tan inverse of 15.87 divided by 23.43 equal to the angle. So we can use the calculator. So inverse of tan 15.87 we divide by 23.43. So we got the angle is 34.1. Okay, there it is. Thank you.